Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Mailchimp affiliate program detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Mailchimp website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on sign up to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the marketing tab on the left sidebar. Select the partner programs option from the drop-down menu. Look for the Mailchimp affiliate program section. Click on Join the affiliate program. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree to the terms, click the checkbox to accept them. Fill out the application form with your personal details. Provide information about your website or platform. Specify how you plan to promote Mailchimp. Submit your application for review. Wait for a confirmation email from Mailchimp. Once approved, log back into your Mailchimp account. Go to the Affiliates section under the Partner Programs. You will find your unique affiliate link here. Copy your affiliate link for future use. Explore the marketing materials provided by Mailchimp. Utilize banners, emails, and social media assets to promote Mailchimp. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. Check for updates on earnings and commissions regularly. Stay engaged with Mailchimp's community for tips and support. Incorporate your affiliate link into your content wisely. Enjoy the benefits of promoting Mailchimp as an affiliate partner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.